Hi, my name is Aziza and I'm the Managing Director for Asia at General Assembly. Especially on like a hot day, just like whoosh. I guess one thing that a lot of people might not know about me is that I do get anxiety quite a lot, and it's something I've learned to manage. And I'm also really happy that, especially in the past couple of years, it's now more acceptable to talk openly about those things. It's kind of hard to pick one person. I generally admire people who tend to break boundaries and who go out and do things when people tell them it can't be done. If I can think of one person, so when I was growing up, a lot of CEOs used to be male and white. And I remember when I forgot I was 16 or 17, Indra Nooyi became the CEO of Pepsi. And it was a game changer for me to look at a woman who, looked like me running one of the most powerful companies in the world. So I feel like representation matters a lot. I think my younger self dealt with a lot of insecurities and just a lot of worry. So I think if I could go back and tell her something, it would just be that things are gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Don't worry so much, and don't worry so much about what people think of you. The best advice I've ever received is probably to be kind to everyone, and especially be kind to yourself. The biggest challenge, I would say, when you're setting up a new market for a company and you're trying to contextualize the business for that market, it comes with its own set of challenges, but it's been a great learning experience. The other challenge, I would say, is last year with COVID, as we were going into lockdowns, trying to take the whole business remote and trying to make sure that we were still a viable business model that was still producing the same kind of results for our students and our partners. So yeah, that was definitely a challenge, but I'm very lucky to have an amazing team who supports me. I'm proud to be me because I speak up for what I believe in, even when the truth is uncomfortable and inconvenient. That was 6 questions with me, Aziza, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and take care. And thank you, Tech in Asia.